Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to reset Microsoft Edge to its default settings in 2025. If your browser is slowing down, acting glitchy, or you've made some changes you regret, resetting it can give you a fresh start without losing your essential data. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure Microsoft Edge is open on your computer. If it's not, go ahead and launch it from your taskbar or Start menu. Once you're in Edge, click on the three horizontal dots in the upper right corner of the window. This is the menu button, and it's your gateway to all the settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings at the bottom. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can customize various aspects of your browser. Now, scroll down on the left-hand side until you find the Reset Settings option. It might be under a section called Privacy, Search, and Services or directly in the main settings menu, depending on the exact version you're using in 2025. Once you click on Reset Settings, you'll see a page with options to restore Edge to its original state. There are usually two levels: a basic reset that clears temporary data, and a full reset that removes additional settings like extensions and themes. For most users, the full reset is what you want, but be cautious as it will log you out of saved accounts and clear any custom search engines. Hit the Restore Settings to their default values button, and you'll get a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully to understand what will be affected, then click Reset to proceed. Edge will close and reopen automatically, applying the changes. When it relaunches, your browser should be back to factory defaults, nice and clean. One quick tip: before resetting, if you have important bookmarks or passwords, make sure they're synced to your Microsoft account so you don't lose them. This method works on Windows, Mac OS, and even some mobile versions, but always double-check for any updates in 2025. There you have it, folks. You've successfully reset Microsoft Edge. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.